Hi, my name is Diabetic Anonymous, and I'm back from my wedding. Let's make some pesto. This takes a few simple ingredients. We're going to start off with some spinach in there to get some good greens. Then we're going to use some basil leaves that'll add flavor. I find that spinach and basil together make a nice muted pesto. It's a bit easier to palate. We're going to add some Parmesan cheese in there, a few cloves of garlic, and then we're going to squeeze a half of a lemon in there. The juice of the lemon will add some citrus to it. Make sure you don't get the seeds in there. They're gross. Then we are going to put some sunflower seeds in there. I like those because they're cheaper than the pine nuts. Put in some salt and pepper. Just a few good grinds and a few good pinches. And then pulverize that up and add in olive oil as it pulverizes. Remember to scoop down the sides as this goes. I'll taste it as well. Make sure that it tastes okay and get it nice and chunky looking. Here's like a finished product. Now, when using this, you can use it to make some really good things. So I'm going to cut up a chicken breast here, a nice big piece of chicken breast with some nice cubes. And we're going to make a kind of macaroni and cheese with pesto chicken kind of deal here. It's delicious and really good, and you can use this in a million different ways. This is a really fun and easy way. So we're going to add some oil to our pot here and get that all around. Some carrots and onions, just kind of get that simmering, and nice small pieces there. As that sweats, you add in the chicken. Get the chicken nice and golden brown and delicious, or at least just kind of white around the edges. It'll let off some juice there that we'll use to put our finished pasta in. And then from there, we're going to add in some corn, frozen corn, and frozen broccoli, I think, coming in here. Yes, frozen broccoli and corn. The more vegetables, the better, I always find. And then we're going to take our pesto and put a good amount of it into there. And that's just going to kind of color everything, kind of give it a nice, like, basil-y, fresh taste to it. Add in some more cheese, and that gives it nice, like, cheesiness and good taste. And to thicken it up, kind of add in some reserved pasta water. And this you can put in a bowl and top with some more Parmesan cheese and salt and pepper. It is delicious. Now that was pesto used in a simple recipe of kind of a pesto noodle chicken veggie salad deal. I find it to be really good. I know it was a long break from when I was on here last. I'm sorry about that, but I got married, so, excuses. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.